In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to allow or block camera access in Google Chrome. If you need to hop on a video call or want to stop a site from using your webcam, Chrome gives you clear controls to manage when and how your camera can be used. We'll walk through where these settings live and what each option means, so you can pick the level of privacy and convenience that fits you best. Start by opening Chrome. In the top right corner, click the three dots to open the menu, then select Settings. This takes you to Chrome's control panel. On the left sidebar, click Privacy and Security. This section is where Chrome groups everything related to your online safety and data. Next, go into Site Settings. Scroll down to the Permissions section and click Camera. Think of this page as the control center for your webcam. At the top, you'll see options for the default behavior. If you choose Sites Can Ask, Chrome will prompt you whenever a website wants to use your camera. This is a great balance if you switch between video calls and casual browsing, because you stay in control on a case-by-case basis. If you prefer a stricter approach, select Don't Allow. This blocks all camera requests by default, which is useful if you rarely use your webcam or want maximum privacy. You can always change this later if your needs shift. On this same page, look for the list of sites at the bottom. These are websites you've already visited that requested camera access. From here, you can remove a site's access or change it to allow. This is handy if you granted permission during a call but don't want that site to keep access, or if you trust a site and want it to work smoothly next time. While you're here, check the camera selection dropdown if you have multiple webcams connected. Choosing the correct device prevents that "why isn't my camera working" moment. If a site still can't see your camera, remember that your computer's operating system may also control camera permissions, and you might need to grant access there as well. After you adjust settings, reloading any open pages helps apply the changes right away. That's it. You've found the camera settings, set a default that matches your comfort level, and learned how to fine-tune individual sites. Now you're in full control of your privacy and ready for your next call, or ready to keep your webcam off when you want it that way. You're all set.